Something very weird is happening right now. Tech companies just promised to spend 600 billion on AI. OpenAI is worth more than Coca-Cola. And yet, a leaked MIT study shows that 95% of companies using generative AI are making zero profit from it. One of these things is a lie. And I'm about to show you which one. Here's a question nobody is asking. If AI is so revolutionary, why did a Swedish bank fire 700 employees, replace them with AI, and then secretly rehire all those humans 6 months later? I have been in tech for years, and I have seen bubbles before, but this one's different, and way more dangerous. By the end of this video, you will understand why this bubble is 17 times bigger than the dot-com crash, who's actually making money, it's not who you think, and what happens to your money when this thing finally explodes. Let's go. Remember the California gold rush? Thousands of people moved west to strike it rich. Most of them went broke. But you know who actually made money? The guys selling shovels. That's exactly what's happening right now with AI. Except the shovels cost $1 billion and they are called GPUs. Nvidia stock is up 3,000% in 5 years. AWS is printing money. Oracle just had its best quarter in a decade. Meanwhile, the companies buying those shovels, they are hemorrhaging cash. Here's the insane part. OpenAI loses money on every single ChatGPT user. You use it for free. They pay to serve you. You pay $20 a month. They still lose money serving you. They are burning through $44 billion trying to reach something called AGI. And that brings me to the biggest scam of all, the AGI con. AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. It means AI can think like a human, do any job, solve any problem. According to tech CEOs, it's 2-3 years away. Here's the problem. Nobody can actually define what AGI even is. Sam Altman says it's AI smarter than humans. Steve Wozniak says it's AI that can walk into a kitchen and make coffee. Others says it's AI that can do any human job. Notice something? These definitions are intentionally vague because if you never define the finish line, you can always claim you're almost there. This is the same playbook Elon used with self-driving cars. Just 2 years away has been his tagline for a decade. But here's what nobody wants to admit. Current AI architecture might not be capable of AGI. Let me explain why. ChatGPT doesn't think. It's a pattern-matching machine on steroids. It's been fed billions of sentences from the internet and it predicts what word should come next based on patterns. This is generally useful for certain things. But here's the wall we have hit. ChatGPT 5 costs 10 times more to train than ChatGPT 4, and the improvement marginal at best. That's called diminishing returns. We are running out of quality data to fit those models. We have already used all the good stuff from the internet. Now companies are trying something desperate, using AI to generate fake data to train other AI. Early results, the AI gets dumber each generation. It's like making a photocopy of a photocopy of a photocopy. 76% of AI researchers admit simply scaling up what we're doing now will never reach AGI. So why does the money keep flowing? 2 words. FOMO and fear. Companies aren't investing in AI because it works. They are investing because they are terrified of becoming the next blockbuster. Look at the stock market. When Bumble announced they were laying off workers for AI, their stock jumped 25% in one day. It didn't matter if the AI actually worked. The market rewarded the story. This creates a death spiral. CEOs announce AI initiatives to pump stock prices. They get bonuses for innovation. They lay off workers to show efficiency gains. Reality hits, AI doesn't work. They quietly rehire humans, the boomerang workforce. But now company culture is destroyed and customers have left. This is happening right now at massive scale. Who actually gets hurt? Here's what makes me angry about this whole thing. When this bubble pops, and it will pop, who gets blamed? It's not the CEOs who lied, not the VCs who pumped fake valuations, not Wall Street who enabled all of it. The technology. And you know who gets hurt? Not Sam Altman, not the billionaire investors. They will be fine. It's the people with 401ks who thought they were investing in the future. The workers who got laid off and can't find jobs because AI is replacing everyone, even though it isn't. The small businesses that spend their last dollar on AI consultants selling snake oil. This bubble is 17 times larger than the dot-com and 4 times bigger than 2008. When it bursts, the damage will be catastrophic. What actually survives? But here's the thing, not everything dies. When the dot-com crashed, we still got Google, Amazon, and eBay. The bad companies died. The real ones survived. Same would happen here. OpenAI isn't going anywhere. They have 800 million users. Boring AI tools that actually save time on specific tasks will stick around. But the 90% of AI startups burning cash with no business models, they are done. So what should you do? If you work in tech, learn the infrastructure. Cloud security, AI engineering, machine learning ops, the plumbing that makes AI actually work. Not the hype layer. If you're investing, be skeptical of anything with AI powered in the pitch deck. Ask one question. Is this business profitable without the AI story? If you are an employee anywhere, build your own skills. You can't rely on companies for job security anymore. If this video helped you, see through the hype, smash the like button and subscribe. And drop a comment. Do you think AGI is actually possible? Or is it just the next flying car? See you in the next one.